Okay, so we're going to start by looking at the routes that are going to be exported out OSPF from router 5 and from router 6. And the first route that we're going to look at is this aggregate default route that we want in OSPF. There are some other routes as well, but we want this one. So first we have to create the aggregate route. And what we're doing is we're attaching a conditional policy at the end. We've given it the name IPv4 condition, IPv6 condition for the two different routes. Obviously, the IP version 6 route is going to be in rear-by-net 6. Okay, and then we're going to have a look at the conditional policies. So these are standard policy statements. We've called them IP4 condition, IPv6 condition, 2 terms in each. The first term specifically grabs the loopbacks on R3 and R4 and accepts it. And then the second term in each policy rejects. Obviously, this one is grabbing the IP version 6 route for the loopback, accepting it. Second term rejects. Remember, what we're doing here is we're not involved in the export from OSPF yet. We are actually placing routes into INET0. We're creating them ready for the OSPF export. As such, this policy statement, although it's an ordinary policy statement, we're using it as an IP4 condition. And so this is deciding what routes from the direct pseudo protocol go into INET0. And the default stance for pseudo protocol, directs, connecteds, is to accept all. So therefore, in this case, because this is going to be filling the INET0 table, this is effectively like an import policy, and therefore the default stance is to accept everything, and that is why we have the term to reject.